Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
channel. Today, we're diving into a quick but detailed comparison between Veed and Canva, two of the best video creating tools in 2025. Let's find out which one fits your needs better. Veed is a powerful online video editor packed with advanced features like trimming, merging, transitions, and AI tools such as auto subtitles and voiceovers. It's perfect if you want a professional quality video and don't mind a little learning curve. There's a free plan to get you started, but some features come with a premium. On the other hand, Canva started as a graphic designing platform but now offers a simple video editing too. It's a super user friendly with ton of templates and easy drag and drop options, ideal for social media creators who want quick, attractive videos without fuss. Its AI features are limited to compare to Vid and some pro features requires to paid plan. So, if you want a strong video editing with smarter AI tools, Veed is your go-to. But if you prefer simplicity and lots of design templates, Canva will serve you well. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss any update. So, see you in next time. Thanks for watching.